Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to fix iPhone camera freezing after the iOS 26 soft update problem. Is your iPhone camera freezing or lagging after updating to iOS 26? Well, you are not the only one facing this annoying problem. Many users have reported certain camera glitches, delays, or even complete app freezes after the latest update. This can be especially annoying when you are trying to capture important moments. The good news is that you can easily fix this annoying problem thanks to a pretty handy solution. That said, let's get started. So first we have to force kill the camera app. To do so, just swipe up from the bottom and hold along the middle of the screen to bring up the app switcher. And then you have to swipe up the camera app card to kill the app. Then you have to press and release the volume up button. After that, you have to press and release the volume down button. And then you have to hold down the side button aka the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. And once your iPhone has successfully rebooted, launch the camera app to check whether or not you have fixed this annoying problem. And that's how you can easily fix the iPhone camera freezing problem after updating to iOS 26. These quick solutions should help you get back to capturing photos and videos without interruptions at all. If the problem continues, I will recommend you to update the software on your iPhone because I suspect that an annoying bug could be at the heart of this problem. To do so, just launch the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose General. Then you have to choose Soft Update, and then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS on your device, and that's about it. Hopefully, these tips have helped you get a better of this problem, and I'll catch you up in the next one.